Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. Today's project is super simple, but it will give your home that farmhouse Valentine's Day feeling. I found this Dollar Tree frame in my stash. I took the paper heart out of the frame and I picked up these 3 gift bags on my weekly trip to Dollar Tree and decided to use the gift bag with the heart and stripes. I cut the bag open and removed the handle from the side. I folded the heart that came with the frame in half so I could try to center it on the gift bag heart. I then laid half of the heart on the gift bag and centered it. Then I simply traced around it with a pencil, lined it up on the other side, and traced it again to complete the heart I was going to cut. I used my scissors and cut on the line I had just traced out. I laid the cut onto the frame and had to make some adjustments to get it to fit right. I trimmed the heart where I thought it needed it and continued doing this until it finally fit. I placed the paper heart into the frame to make sure everything looked good. I removed everything from the frame and painted it with white chalk paint. Once the paint had dried, I placed the gift bag heart back into the frame. I placed the gift bag heart back in the frame and put a dab of glue around the edge of it to hold it in place. I closed the back off with the little black things and put a dab of glue in the hole at the bottom and inserted the stick that came with the frame. I did this so the frame would stand on its own. If you want the frame to hang, just don't put the stick on it. Now I can decorate it. I used some black and white ribbon and glued it around the edge of the entire frame. I used my scissors to remove the excess ribbon. I used a piece of twine and folded it in half to create the bow at the top. I still seem to be having trouble with bows, but I think I'm getting a little bit better. Once the bow was finished, I put a dab of glue on the back and placed it on the top center of the frame. And just look at how stinking cute this gift bag sign turned out. I love it, and it goes so well with my other decor. I'll be able to use this year-round, not just for Valentine's Day. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!